Hello, in this video we'll show you the location and how to remove and maybe replace or repair the starter motor on Iveco Daily. The starter motor on the van is located on the rear of the engine. It's located right there. The gearbox is also located on the rear. You can see over there that's the starter motor. In order to get access to the starter motor, we need to go underneath. Before we start removing the starter motor, first we're going to remove the negative terminal of the battery. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now we'll go underneath and we'll see now where the starter motor is. That's the transmission right there, and that's the starter motor right there. The starter motor is held by 3 bolts. That's 1, 2, and there is one on the right of this one. You can't see it right now, but it's there. It's not that hard to remove. Also, on the front side of the starter motor, there is 2 cables that we need to remove. One is the solenoid cable, the other one is the power cable. Now I'm at the front of the starter motor and I'm going to remove the solenoid cable first. Next, I'm going to remove the 3 bolts holding the starter motor. Now that the 3 bolts are removed, the only thing left to remove is the positive cable that's attached to the starter motor, but we'll do that from the front again. We just need to push the starter motor a little bit to the front in order to get access to this bolt, to this nut actually, and that's the nut right there. Now that we've removed the nut and removed the positive cable, now we can take out the starter. And that's the starter out. Now we can repair it or replace it and then install it in the reverse order. hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.